Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This video, I'm going to be showing you how to have your own ringtone on text now. So hit that like button and yeah, so let's get started. So what you're going to have to do is going to go to YouTube to get your music. And I already have my music, but I'm just going to click a different one. So then you're just going to wait for I have this cool update as you can see, but yeah. In my next video, if this video gets 30 likes, I'll do another. I'll show you how to turn your Samsung phone to an iPhone. So you're gonna click a random song. Alright, then you click the song. Then you click share.
Mentos Now Mints. Tiny. Fresh.
That has to be downloaded. And if you saw my other video, how to download your own music, it's that same app on your Samsung. It's the same app. The video will still be there. Just click on my channel and it's gonna be there. It's the one that has the YouTube thing on it. It has the thumbnail is the YouTube, I think. I don't remember, but then click download. And then you're gonna go to settings. You're gonna click settings right there. Then you're gonna click my phone, my device I mean, and then you're gonna click that. Once when you're on that, click ringtones, click add. Your music should be in this, so then click the music. So then once you're done, you're gonna go to the app, text now. And then save it. Save it. Just save it. So like my freaking house. Click ringtone. Then you have to find the song. Isn't it amazing? So then once you're on that, you're gonna have to call it. So I'm gonna get my house phone, and then right, it's gonna call. So you're just like, oh, my phone doing nothing.